Hola, buenos dias from Spain. What's going on? What's going on here?
I've seen a big rat.
Yeah?
Ran under here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Where?
It's under here somewhere.
I'm afraid how big it is.
I think it's quite a mature one.
You need help? Oh, careful. You need help to ano?
Be careful in case it runs out.
Oh my god. What's that? Oops. Oops. What is it? Is that the rat?
Oh,
There's
yes.
two rats.
A different kind of rat. My 1964 Winter Model Rat.
Oh, wow.
Been sat under here for
How long you have that rat?
it's been under here for over a year.
No, from your property.
Oh, I've had it for years.
Ah.
I've done a lot of work to this.
What is it? Lambretta.
Lambretta Li 150 Winter Model. It's a headset. It's a different shape to a old regular Series 2.
So that will be your next project, yeah?
Well, yes. Up there. Yeah, the seat, the actual seat cover is in the dry. The seat's been made. This rear floorboard I made out of metal. Toolbox door. Reshaped the headlight. Some photographs will be coming. And this nose piece I made out of fiberglass. Took a cast from another one. It's got all new cables. Well, let's see if it runs. We need to recommission it for this year.
Flat tire.
Well, it's been sat here for ages. Yep, there's a spark. Right, so I'm not gonna use the petrol that's in the tank. I'm gonna quickly rig up a small tube with some fuel in it.
Don't see the spark.
It's wet.
How you see the spark? I can't see it.
Well, it's a very small spark. Yeah.
Put new starter.
Well, just change the spark plug to one that's dry because it gets all wet in there.
Okay, let's see.
May.
Make this. Not yet.
Yeah.
Herring, no? Yes!
Alright.
It's okay? Good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna help you pushing it.
Yeah. I'm not riding it up the wire, but I'm using the engine. Help me. Put it up that slope to see. General, I think.
I'm gonna take a video. Dangerous, no? Wait, I think you need help. That's dangerous, Duncan.
Yeah.
That's dangerous. Don't do it now. Don't do it. I'm afraid.
Yeah. It will cut that.
Dangerous. Because it will, yeah, it's better going down but not going up. Oh my god. Hang on, there's a bottle. Wait.
Break it.
Always?
Yeah. Back. You come up. Come up a step.
But it's breaking.
Yeah, keep the brake on.
Abort! That would be hard. So?
Oh yeah, after a failed attempt to use this scooter engine to get me up that ramp, which in all honesty I've only ever used it to bring stuff down here, I'm going to remove the engine, therefore reducing the weight, making it a lot easier and I dare say considerably safer. So.
how long it take to remove the engine is around 10 to 15 minutes. There.
If you can lift it. Yeah?
But it's gonna. Okay. Hang on.
Okay.
Yeah. Wait lang. I'm getting heavy now.
Alright.
Hang on.
Put it down. Rest.
Rest a little bit. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Come on.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Hang on. Okay. Okay. Hang on. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Oh. We made it.
Well done.
A little bit more. Hard, heavy also?
Well, I was going to just one step at a time, actually.
Gosh. Heavy. Okay, 1 to go. That's a big step over there. Now it's easy na. Gosh, you gave us the scooter. When we gonna see you again?